Howdy everyone, welcome back to Sing Through the Fog video series. I'm Adam Craig, CEO of Dri-Sump, your host. Our question today comes from South Dakota. What about large airport hydrant system sumps? Would we add more VSTs on deeper installation? These are tested easily by adding a 3/4 inch coupler and solid scheduled 40 piping to the top of your VST to get to the depth that is required. All of this is explained and discussed during training here at our manufacturing facility. Thank you for the question, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.